Oh my god, it's actually working! The first time I felt it, I was 10 years old. The smell of gas, the screaming engine, I was hooked. They say life starts at 7000 RPM, and I think they are right. But all the good things come to an end, and so does the petrol engine. I talked to a bunch of people about my idea, but unfortunately nobody wanted to help, and everyone said this is impossible. So, naturally, I had to do it.
We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day, I'm right. It seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine something better, yeah, right. Now you're cooking.
With the cylinder done, it's now time to focus on one of the most important parts of this engine, the crankshaft.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride.
While this is extremely bad, one of the most important parts of my engine is cooked. Maybe it's true, a homemade plastic engine it's never gonna work. But you know what? I'm gonna try this one more time.
Whether you're ready or not, time will go on time. Whether you're ready or not, time will go on time.
Well, this is more like it. The next step is gonna be the head. Now that we have most of the parts printed, it's time to put everything together and see how everything works. While the belt cures, I'm gonna show you the new sprockets that I got for the crankshaft and for the camshaft, and I'm gonna show you how the head works. On the camshaft we have a 40-tooth sprocket and a 5mm opening of the valves. I hope this is enough. On the crankshaft we have a 20-tooth sprocket, so it gives us the 2-to-1 ratio an engine needs. I also printed the piston, but as you guys know, the Ender Dragon 3 is not really precise, so I'm gonna have to test more than one piston. Let's get straight to the next point, which is the ignition system. I know you expected a cool song, but I have to give you some explanation on this part, so you're stuck with me. This thing right here is a spark plug tester. Let me show you how it works. So I'm gonna use this thing to get spark on my plug. Let's open this bad boy to see what's inside. I'm sure I can make a breaker system out of this, so I'm just gonna need some 3D printed parts. Well, this was my last bit of plastic, so it better work. Basically, the idea behind this system is that we have a holder, an arm, and a knob on the camshaft that pushes the arm. And whenever our two alligator clips touch each other, we get a spark. Let's not forget the little spring so the arm can return. I'm gonna touch the alligator clips and let's see if we have contact on them. So here, click, this is gonna be a spark. Click, another spark. Works pretty good. After the belt cured, I installed it and I decided to make a flywheel. I made this out of a 3D printed part and the wheel I had laying around my house. Well guys, we came a long way. This project took a month of my life and a good chunk of my mental health. But now it's time for testing.
One step after the other, so we take another and another. When we go, here we go.
Unfortunately, my carburetor didn't arrive in time, so I'm gonna have to use some other method of fueling. First I tried body spray and then I turned to propane gas from a gas lamp. When I started to turn the engine with the drill, I felt a couple signs of life. I kept trying and trying, but after a while I understood. Not every story has a happy ending. Some just stop.
I know this movie is ending, but let me sit through the end credits. Remember the names and faces I loved, who always believed in who I'd become. The highs and the lows, the hellos and goodbyes that made up the scenes of this